Chapter 18. The Silent Revolution of Mindfulness. Meditation on the Mat. Hello again, Jiu-Jitsu lovers. I hope you found our last encounter on mindful breathing beneficial. Today, we delve into another practice that can not only elevate your game, but also enhance your quality of life. Mindfulness Meditation. The core principle of mindfulness is simple: being fully present in the moment. It sounds straightforward, but in the hustle and bustle of daily life, and yes, even on the mat, our mind often wanders. When you are wholly present, every movement, every breath, and every action become clearer. This could mean the difference between spotting an opening for a submission or being caught off guard. How to practice mindfulness in combat. 1. Sensory identification. Encourage your student to start by paying attention to bodily sensations. Feel the pressure of the mat against your back, the grip of your GI, the resistance of your opponent, every pressure point on your body. 2. Judgment-free observation. This is at the heart of the practice. Don't evaluate whether a sensation is good or bad. Simply observe. If your opponent is strong, recognize their strength without judgment. If you feel you're at a disadvantage, just register that feeling. 3. Conscious response. Now that you're aware and non-judgmental, you're better equipped to respond effectively to your opponent's actions. You become capable of acting rather than reacting, which is a much more empowered position to be in any situation. Tangible benefits. Improved decision-making. With a clearer mind, you'll make more logical choices in high-pressure situations. Lower susceptibility to stress. When you're in the moment, worries and anxieties have nowhere to latch onto. Conclusion. Mindfulness is an invaluable tool for any jiu-jitsu practitioner. It not only enhances your performance on the mat, but also enriches every facet of your life off of it. Practice, be present, and witness the transformation in your jiu-jitsu and within yourself. In the next chapter, we'll delve deeper into psychological practices to up your game. Until then, practice mindfulness and roll with purpose.